Hi there, this is just a quick reminder to take extra care when following the advice in our videos, especially when it comes to things like electrics, gas appliances and heavy lifting. Stay safe, and if in doubt, always contact a qualified professional. If your boiler pressure is too high, it can cause leaks, but luckily it's pretty easy to fix. The pressure of your boiler should read between 1 and 2 or 15 to 30 psi on the pressure gauge. As your boiler heats up the water for your radiators and taps, the water expands and increases the pressure. To lower it, you'll need to bleed your radiators with a radiator key. See our How to Bleed a Radiator video to learn how. If that doesn't bring the pressure down, you should contact a qualified engineer. If your boiler pressure is too high, your radiators aren't heating up properly, or are cold at the top and warm at the bottom, they could need bleeding. First things first, turn off your heating. You should only bleed a radiator when it's cold. Next, use a radiator key to turn the radiator valve. You should hear a hissing sound. Some water might escape, so make sure you have a cloth handy. Once the hissing stopped, retighten the valve by twisting the key the other way. Now turn your heating back on and check the radiator is warming up. Your boiler pressure should now be at a normal level, between 1 and 2 or 15 to 30 psi. Finally, if the pressure is too low, you can use a filling loop, which is a short, curved hose connecting your boiler and water supply to top it up. Find the condensate pipe. It will be outside, which is why it tends to freeze in cold weather. Look for a small plastic pipe coming out of the bottom of your boiler. Once you've found the pipe, use something like a hot water bottle to slowly and safely defrost it. Once it's thawed, check for any cracks that might have appeared when the pipe froze. If the pipe's defrosted properly, everything should be working again. To stop your pipes freezing, you should make sure they're insulated. Also, remember to have your boiler serviced once a year and keep your home warm in the colder months. If your carbon monoxide alarm goes off, or if you smell gas, open all windows and doors immediately to let fresh air in. If it's safe to do so, find your gas meter box. It's usually in the kitchen or hallway or on the outside of your home. You need a specific key to open your gas box. Keep this key somewhere nearby in a place that's easy to reach. Once the box is open, pull the red lever to cut the gas supply to your home. Make sure you're outside before calling the National Gas Emergency number, which is 0800 111 999. Listen for instructions on what to do next. You should also find the emergency number inside your gas safety box. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel. Or for more advice on looking after your home appliances, head to the D&G website at domesticandgeneral.com.